I am Priya, Assistant Professor, CSC, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. In Object-Oriented Programming, I am going to explain about Introduction to Java. So first we will see the data types. Java data type. Data types specify that different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. There are two types of data types in Java: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types include Boolean, character, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. Non-primitive data types include classes, interfaces, and arrays. Look at the diagrammatic representation. So you can easily explain the primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types, integer, floating point, character, Boolean, all comes under primitive data types. So in the integer, byte, short, int, long. So integer means it's a whole value. Long means if it is long, then we will declare it as long. Floating point. So if it is in decimal value, we will declare it as floating point. Character, if it is alphabet, we will use, that means we will declare it as character. So character means it's a single alphabet. So it should be enclosed in quotation mark. It can be either single or double. Next, Boolean. Boolean means it's either true or false. The output will be either true or false. Next, non-primitive data types. Here, classes, interfaces, arrays, and strings. If it is classes means there should be object. Next, arrays. Arrays means it's a collection of similar kind of elements that's stored under single name. Then array starts with 0. That is about array. Next, string. String is a group of characters. It can be enclosed in quotation marks that can be either single or double. Next, we are going to write a simple Java program. So, how to write a simple Java program? For that, we need 3 steps to write a simple Java program. So, I want to write a program to show the output welcome to the JDK. For that, I am going to write a Java program. For writing a Java program, we have to open the notepad. That is the first step. For writing a Java program, we have to open that notepad. So in that notepad, we have to type the program. Which program we want to show, we have to type the program. So we have to always, the void main starts with the class. So look at the program, public class intro. Intro is the class name. Opening braces, this opening braces is for the class. Then public static void main string argument. Here is the void main is opening. Void main opening braces. System.out.println. Welcome to the JDK. So welcome to the JDK is the output message we want to display it on the screen. So we have to close the once we have done the output, we have to close with the braces. We have to close the void main, then finally we have to close the class. And when we are writing the program, we should be careful the class name and the file name should be the same. Here we have used the class name as intro. We have to save the file name as intro.java. That is step 1. Step 1, we have to open the notepad. We have to type the program. So whatever the class name is there, we have to save the file as classname.java. Next, in the second step, we have to set the path for compiling the program. So how we can set the path? Go to C, Program Files, Java, JDK 10.0.1. Here we have to compile the program. How to compile? Java C file name.java. Java C, our file name is intro.java. So we have compiled the program. If there is no error, it will show the, then we will run the Java file. If it is error, means we have to clear the error. It will show which line the error will be. So if it is no error, it will come to the next line automatically. Next, we have to run the Java file. How to run the file is Java file name. Our file name is intro. So Java file name. So if you run like this, we will get the output, will come with the J. So totally there are 3 ways to run the Java program. First, open the notepad and type the program. Second one, we have to compile it. For compiling, we have to set the path. After that only we have to compile it. How to compile? Java C file name.java. Once we have compiled, if there is no error, we have to run the Java file. How to run the Java file? Java file name. So our file name is Java intro. So you will get the output. Next we are going to see array. Array already we have told in the data types. It is a group of like type variables. Like type means similar kind of variables that are stored under the single name. That is array. Look at the explanation and the example. 40, 55, 63, 70, 22, 68, 89, 97, 89. Totally how many elements we can call these as elements? Totally how many elements are there? 9 elements. Arrays always starts with 0. So what is the length of that array now? We have to count it, and totally there are how many elements are there? 9 elements. So array length is 9. What is the first index? 0. That means where it starts. What is the first place value? 0. What is the first element? 40. What is the last element? 89. What is the last index? 8. So this is the about array. So look at the syntax. Data type array name equal to new data type. Then size. We have to every time we have to give the maximum size. Then it doesn't show any error. If you do any mistake, it doesn't show any error. Next we will see one example. Class test array. So class test array means test array is the class name. In opening braces, it is already we have seen one example. In that example itself, we have told void main. Before there void main, there should be a class. So that is the class. Class test array. Test array is a class name. Public static void main string arguments. Opening braces. This opening braces is for the void main. Int a. So we have just before we have seen the syntax of array. Data type array name equal to new data type. Then in that square bracket we have to give the size. So integer, that is the data type. A is the array name equal to new is the keyword. Int, that is the data type. 5 is the size. So how many elements we want to give? We have to give 5 elements. We have just before we have seen array starts with the 0. So we have given a of 0 is equal to 10. We have to give the values one by one. A of 0 is equal to 10. Next, a of 1 is equal to 20, a of 2 is equal to 70, a of 3 is equal to 40, a of 4 is equal to 50. So we have given the values, 5 values, and it will be stored in the corresponding location. What is the name of the array here? A. A is the name of the array. So next we want to display the element one by one. For that we have to use for loop. So in that for loop, we have to declare I is equal to 0. So I is the variable. We have declared that variable is integer. First, already we have studied about the for loop. For initialization, condition, then increment. Here our initialization value is I is equal to 0. Next, what is the condition here? I less than a dot length. What is a? A is the array name. What is the length of the array? What is the length of the array? 5. Then I plus plus. What is the I value? 0. 0 plus plus means 1. So we have checked one condition, is it true or false? The condition is true only. So that means 0 less than 5. Condition is true. So if the condition is true, it will display the value. So what value we want to display? System.out.println a of I. So a of I, what is the value in I? 0. A of 0, what is the element in a of 0? 10. So 10 will be displayed in our output. So this is not, it will be repeating again and again. When the condition will false, it will stop. So next we have implemented the I value. I is equal to I plus 1 means 0 plus 1. We have implemented the I value. So now the I value is equal to 1. 1 less than 5. Then implement 2. The condition is again true. So we have to display the second value 20. So that means the process will be repeated once the condition is false, it will come out of the loop. You will see the out. So it will come out of the loop. What is the output for this? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It will be displaying like this. Actually, we will see one more example. So in the previous example, we have given the values separately. A of 0 is equal to 10, A of 1 is equal to 20, A of 2 is equal to 70, A of 3 is equal to 40. But in the second example, here we have given the class name class test array. Public static void main string arguments. So here this is our array declaration. That means int, that is the data type, A is the array name, equal to, we have given the values directly. That means 33, 3, 4, 5. So we have given the form for displaying the values one by one. So here also the first value is I is equal to 0. Condition 0 less than, what is the length? 4. Then I plus plus. So the condition is true, so it has to display the 32. So it will be repeating the process again and again. When the condition is false, it will come out of the loop. So next one, operators in Java. Operators in Java. Operator means you all know it is a symbol. Operand means, example we can say A, B values, these are the apples. So operator in Java is a special symbol used to perform operations. Example plus, minus, multiplication, division, these are the operations which will be doing in the operators in Java. There are many types of operators in Java. First one, unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational operator, logical operator, ternary operator. So these are the operators in Java. We will see the unary operator. Unary operator means postfix, prefix. Two types of unary operators are there. The postfix expression should be at first and the symbol should be at the next. That means expression plus plus, expression minus minus. That is unary operator. Next, prefix means expression should be coming after the symbol. That means plus plus expression, minus minus expression. These are the two unary operators. Arithmetic operator, we all know arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So we have to categorize into multiplicative, additive. Multiplicative means multiplication, division, modulus. Additive plus minus. Shift. Shift. So the first symbol is right shift, next one is left shift. So two types of shift operator, left shift, right shift. Come to relational there it is otherwise known as comparison operator. Relational operator is otherwise known as comparison operator. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are the operations comes under relational operator. Logical operator, logical and logical OR. So the symbol used is ampersand symbol for logical and, next pipeline symbol for logical OR. Ternary operator, question mark colon. Ternary operator. Let's see all the operators with some examples. First we will see Java unary operator. This unary operator requires only one operand. Unary operators are used to perform various operations. That means incrementing, decrementing a value one by one. So these operations will be done by Java unary operator. Let's see one example. class operator, opening brace, so public static void main string argument. X is equal to 10. Here we have declared only one variable, that is x, that should be declared as integer, and the value stored in that variable is 10. We want to display the unary operator. How to display? System.out.println x plus plus. X plus plus is nothing but x plus 1. So our x value is 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. X come to the next point. System.out.println plus plus x. So the first one expression, the operator should be coming at the next one. So x, that value variable should be at first, and the operator should be coming at the next. Here plus plus x, that is also same x plus 1. So already we are having at first the x value is 10, then we have implemented the x value to 11. Now we are going to implement one more value. Now the x value becomes 12. So next we are going to do minus operation. So system.out.println x minus minus. Now our x value is 12. X minus minus means the meaning is x minus 1. So now we have the x value as 12. 12 minus 1, 11. X come to the next line. System.out.println minus minus x. Both are same. X minus 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 x. Both are same. Now what is the reason value of x now? 11. So now we have to reduce one value from 11, that is 10. We will get the output as 11, 12, 11, 10. So we have to close two braces because one is for class and another one is for void main. Here we have used the class name operator, so we have to save the file as also operator.java. Okay, this is the Java unary operator. The output is 10, 11, 12, 11, 10. This is our output. Next we are going to see next operator, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic, and the diagram itself we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, model. So class operator, that is the class name, static void main, string arguments, opening braces. Here we are going to use two variables, a and b, and we are going to store two values, 10 and 5. Then we have declared a and b as integer, so we have stored 10 and 5 in that a and b value. Now we are going to apply the arithmetic operator, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So system.out.println a plus b. So what is our a value? 10. 10 plus 5. B value is 5. What is our output? 50. Next we are going to perform subtraction. That means a minus b. 10 minus 5. Our value is 5. Next we are going to perform multiplication operation. A multiplication b. That means 10 asterisk 5. Our value is 50. Next we are going to perform division. 10 divided by 5. Our answer is 2. Finally, we are going to perform modulus, that means it shows the remainder. It shows the remainder. Our output is 55, 52, 0. So arithmetic operator, multiplicative operator, additive operator. So we have done all the multiplicative and additive operators in Java arithmetic operator. Next we are going to see the next operator, Java left shift operator. Java left shift operator is used to shift all of the bits in a value to the left side of the specified number of times. So how many times we have given, that much time it will move the value to the left side. Let's see the example. Class operator, public static void main string arguments, opening braces, system.out.println, then how can we say left shift to? 10 left shift 2, the output is 40. 10 left shift 3, the output is 80. 20 left shift 2, the output is 80. 15 left shift 4, the output is 240. So how many bits we have given? It moves to the left side of the specified number of times. Now our output is 40, 80, 80, 240. So this is the Java left shift operator. So it is used to shift all of the bits in the value to the left side of the specified number of times. Next we are going to see Java right shift operator. It is used to move left operand's value to right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Java right shift operator, we will see one example. Class operator example, opening braces, public static void main, string argument, system.out.println, 10 right shift. We have to tell it as right shift operator 2. So what is our output here? 2. System.out.println 20 right shift operator 2. That means what is our output here? 5. System.out.println 20 right shift operator 3. Our output is 2. So we have to use in this right shift operator, we have to use it to move left operand's value to right by the number of bits to the number of bits specified by the right operand. So here our example also we have given. We have the output as 252. We have to, our class name is operator example. We have to save the file as operator example.java. Then already we have told how to compile it. We have to set the pop and we have to compile it by using javac filename.java. Once we have compiled, if there is no error, we have to run the program by using Java filename. Finally, we will get the output. Next, we will see logical operator. So, in the logical operator, we have seen logical and logical OR. The logical AND operator doesn't check second condition if the first condition is false. Already we know the truth table for logical AND gate, right? If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If the input is 0 and 1, the output is 0. If the input is 1 and 0, the output is 0. If the input is 1 and 1, then only the output is 1. So both the inputs are there, then only the output is 1. So logical AND means it has to satisfy both the conditions. If we are using first condition and second condition, it has to satisfy both the conditions. That is logical AND gate. So that is the definition we have given here. The logical AND operator doesn't check second condition if first condition is false. It checks condition, second condition only if first one is true. It checks second condition only if first one is true. The bitwise AND operator always checks both conditions whether first condition is true or false. Let's see the example. Class operator, opening braces, public static void main, string arguments. Here we have declared 3 variables A, B, C. We have stored 10, 5, 20 in the ABC variables. We have declared ABC as integer. Next, we are going to check the logical AND operator. We will check it out. System.out.println A less than B. That means A, what is the A value? 10 less than 5. And what is it? Is this and we call it as logical AND. A less than C. 10 less than 20. So what is the first condition? It is false. A less than B. 10 less than 5. The condition is false. Next, second condition. Already we know if the first condition is false, no need to check the second condition. But we will check it out. A less than C. A less than C. So here the condition is true. 10 less than 20. Condition is true. But we will get the output false only. We already know both the conditions are true, then only the output is true. Next we will see the next one. System dot out dot println A less than B. Our A value is 10 less than 5. 10 less than 5. Condition again false. Next A less than C. Same thing only. The condition is true only. So we will get the output false. So we will get the two outputs false only. Here in the logical and both the conditions are true, then only the output is true. If any one of the condition is false, the output will be false only. That is logical and. We will see logical or. Logical or it is not like logical and. In the logical or, if any one of the condition is true, the output is true. We have studied the truth table. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If one of the input, that means 0 and 1, the output is 1. If it is 1 and 0, the output is 1. If it is 1 and 1, the output is 1. So we know the output. If any one of the condition is satisfied, the output is 1. Class operator, public static void main, string arguments. Here we have used 3 variables and we have stored 3 values in the 3 variables and we have declared these 3 variables as integer. So next we have to check the condition A less than greater than B. That means condition true. Then logical or A less than C. That means 10 less than 20. Condition true. It satisfies both the conditions, so the output is true. Here, if it is satisfies only one condition, also the output is true. So in our example, it satisfies both the conditions, so our output is true. So these are the logical and operator